leather seats, wide and soft and built for dreams. Lay flat comfort, room to spare, rolling north through morning air. A gentle hum, a subtle sway,
Xi'an slowly slips away.
city towers fade behind, adventure waiting down the line.
Beijing bound,
Racing through the heart of China,
Beijing bound,
faster than we've ever gone. Fields and factories rush by, windmills turning neath the sky, 200 miles an hour and more,
calling us toward a distant shore.
Neighborhoods become green fields,
Rows of crops and harvest yields,
power plants with towers high,
sending clouds into the sky.
freight trains, passenger trains,
Parallel ribbons crossing plains.
stations flash and disappear, another city drawing near.
Look outside,
Look how far,
another skyline.
another star.
Beijing bound,
Racing through the heart of China,
Beijing bound,
faster than we've ever gone. Mountains, rivers, towns, and steel, showing us how China feels, 200 miles an hour and more,
calling us toward a distant shore.
down the aisle the snacks arrive, fruity chews and almonds too, sweet jerky for the traveling crew, pineapple candies strange and bright, making us smile with every bite. What's this one? I have no idea. Try it. Then the dinner service came,
A welcome meal upon the train.
spicy chicken, rice, and greens.
One of the best we've had, it seems.
Soup was served in bowls so neat, but we simply skipped that treat, watching cities glide on by underneath the afternoon sky. Bigger stations, more arrivals, more departures, more trains. Every platform filled with motion, like a never-ending ocean.
Beijing bound,
Through the countryside and city,
Beijing bound,
rolling onward mile by mile, from Xi'an's walls to Beijing's lights, across the day and through the sights, the rails have carried us along, and now we've reached the end